Do you want to improve the security of your computer? Installing a fingerprint reader is a great way to do so. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to install a fingerprint reader. First, insert the software installation disk that came along with your fingerprint reader into the disk drive of your computer. The installation disk has drivers that need to be installed to use the reader. Next, run the installer by choosing Open with File Explorer, then by opening the installer. After that, plug the fingerprint reader into the USB port. This is essential because without it, you cannot use the sensor. Follow the steps the installation wizard prompts you to. Choose the location for installing the software. Once the installation is complete, click the Close or Finish button to end the process. Place the reader on a convenient surface, such as on a desk. It should be easy to find and easy to get to. Make sure the reader is easily accessible since you will be using it for accessing the computer most of the times. Register each fingerprint. Try using Windows Hello, Touch ID. If that does not work, then run the software that the reader comes with. Finally, lock your computer and sign in by touching the fingerprint sensor. It's that easy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching.